Hi everyone, welcome to dreamstylechaos. This is your girl Reena at your screen and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing something which I felt was like a necessity in the summer that we're already into, because spring, hello, what is spring? We don't know because can't relate. Therefore, I am very excited to share with you my review and my take on the Everyuth tan removal kit, which I got my hands off of Amazon. I did this crazy de-stressing kind of haul. If you haven't checked that out, go what you're doing. If you love makeup haul, you should definitely check it out. So like I mentioned earlier, I will be talking about the Everyuth tan removal kit, which consists of total of 5 steps, and this entire kit is catering towards chocolate and cherry. With that being said, a little fun fact for you would definitely be that chocolate is actually really great to get rid of tan, and therefore a lot of women at parlors prefer to do chocolate wax over regular wax. So yeah, without any further ado, let me start talking about each step individually and how I feel about it, and then in the end I will give you an overall review of what I feel about the product. The first step is definitely to scrub, for which they have the Everyuth Pure and Light Tan Removal Scrub with chocolate and cherry. The way they suggest you to use this product is to clean your face with water and then massage this product for 4 to 5 minutes on your face, avoiding your eye area, and then wash it away. And they suggest you to use this product at least 2 to 3 times a week, which is really great. It is not advisable to use scrubs on an everyday basis. It was honestly something I did because honestly I felt good when I was scrubbing my face. It felt like something's happening. But it turns out that if you scrub your face daily, irrespective of your skin type being dry or oily, enlarge your pores with that, and definitely if the pores are enlarged, you tend to accumulate a lot of dirt in it, and therefore pimples and therefore breakouts, which thank you next. Learn from my mistakes. Try to use this product only 2 to 3 times a week. In terms of the claims that the product is making, it just says it's going to be brightening and that it has vitamin rich cherries and luxurious detoxifying chocolate. That is all that I say. First up, the packaging. Highly impressed, in love with the packaging. It feels heavy, like it feels great quality. Also, it looks like Lakme for some reason in my mind. In terms of the way it looks, as you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. I love the scent. Consistency, it is very creamy, therefore it doesn't leave my skin dry, which is a very important point for me. So definitely if you're an oily skin type, you should give it a try. I personally don't find the granules to be chunky or scratchy or irritating or heavy whatsoever. However, if you have extremely sensitive skin, then probably this is not the one for you. Brightening, I definitely felt that effect in the first go. I like how my skin was feeling. It was feeling really very smooth. Individually also, it is priced really well. Step number 2 would definitely be using a face pack, which again felt very thoughtful. Now this is the Everyuth Pure and Light Tan Removal Face and Body Pack, which I felt was really cool. Now it says it's going to detoxify your skin and help remove tan. They suggest you to apply this for 15 minutes on your face. However, in terms of the packaging, I felt you don't get that much of product for the price that you pay individually. I'm talking about. Apart from that, it honestly felt like an okay product. It did not feel anything different. तुम इसे use करो ना करो, honestly कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. There is no massive difference. They suggest you to use this 2 to 3 times a week. Also, another thing that I felt about this was you need a lot more product compared to other masks, because this is so patchy. Get an even complete layer. I feel you need this a little more than your usual amount. Step number 3 is definitely to use a serum, which is the Everyuth Pure and Light Tan Removal Serum for face, and again it nourishes skin and helps remove tan. Get about 30 ml of product. Definitely love the packaging, and I'm definitely digging into serum. Use this serum in the morning more, because in my mind it just made more sense to use it in mornings. I like the serum. It was definitely very hydrating. If you are an oily skin type, you don't need to use any other moisturizer. This on its own is very hydrating, very nourishing on the skin. However, obviously if you are a dry skin type, maybe a gel moisturizer is a good step. If you use a cream on this, it just becomes too heavy and thick, but if you don't, it becomes a little dehydrating after a point of time. So I would suggest you to use a gel moisturizer instead of a cream one. In terms of the actual tan removal process, I would say that if you have a fresh tan, then definitely to some extent it did fade it ever so slightly. But if your tan is like age old, like I'm talking 2 decades old like mine, wow, I just went like this, then it's gonna take a while. So it's a great everyday product. If you are in your 20s, if you are a college going kid, then this is a good one to start with. with if you are definitely 25 plus. This has zero anti-aging properties apart from saving you from sun, so it wouldn't do much for your skin there. Then the next product we have, which was kind of interesting because we don't have a day cream, instead we have a night cream right here. Again, the packaging over here is pretty similar to that of the scrub that I was talking to you earlier. This is how the scrub looks like and this is how the day cream looks like. A little goes a long way with this. It's very hydrating if used correctly, and definitely a product I would highly suggest for everybody out there, especially during summers when our skin is dehydrated, because this thing definitely works. Like morning when I wake up, my skin is plump, it doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel dehydrated. Obviously there are a lot of other steps that I do along with this, but I also tried using just this kit and just this amount of skincare and it worked just fine. And to be honest, I feel this is one of the most effective product in here. Also, did I mention the packaging? It's luxurious, it's bomb. I love the frosting packaging and it is heavy. And with that, we've reached to step number 5, which honestly can be really tricky with me, and that is the sunscreen, which is the sunscreen. This is the Everyuth Pure and Light Sunblock Lotion with SPF 30 PA+++++. Wow, I absolutely freaking love this. Can you imagine? Yeah, I use it on my face, I use it on my body, did not feel sticky, did not feel ew. Also, I did not sweat when I had this on. Like, you know, when you apply sunscreen and it is all fine, but then you go out in the sun and you start sweating with the sunscreen and it's just I cannot stand when my sweat looks white in color, and that's not my foundation but the sunscreen. Like, it is gross, but nothing of that sorts happened with this, and I actually truly enjoyed this. Like, I am grateful to this kid because I came across this product. Absolutely love this. Maybe you would say that SPF 30 is kind of like too less and you maybe want to go up notch with SPF. Personally, I'm cool with 30. I'm cool with anything as long as it works and it protects my skin. Definitely feel it was helpful in protecting myself from getting tan because I'm still using my winter shade, and that speaks a lot for itself. And with that, my friends, we've come to the end of all the personal reviews and all the personal details that I had to share about the product. Now let us talk about the kit as a whole and the price point and everything that I feel about this. Did it work to get rid of tan? What exactly did it do? In terms of the products, I think most of them were hit except the face pack, which I wasn't impressed with. Everything else worked for me. To sum up my review, I would say that this is a great kit to have to prevent your suntan rather than a product that would, or rather than a kit that would help you to get rid of your suntan. These products work really well if your tan is fresh. So maybe you just came back from a vacation in Goa, which then you just get your hands on this kit and you use it religiously, you would see results. But obviously, if your tan is age old, it does take time. So overall, I would sum this product as not a tan removal kit, but rather like a tan preventive kit, and a definite must have in your summer collection if you're looking forward to protect your skin this summer from all the crazy tan. And the amount of product that you get in here is really a lot. So this is going to literally last you all summers, which I think is great. So definitely give this a shot. If you like what you saw, then definitely you know what to do, girl. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays, and yeah, also don't forget to compliment my makeup because a lot of efforts has gone into this, so thank you. And with that, you can also follow me on my social media. The links are right in the description, and I'm pretty active on my Insta stories and Snapchat, so maybe you should follow me there. And yeah, with that, I will see you super soon. Till then, take care. Bye.